Oh hey guys, welcome back, and I am filming Budget Beauty Buys today. We are back in action. I took a week break off just because I had been filming it every single week. I had not missed 1 week for like months and months and months, and I just needed a week break from it. So I hope you guys don't mind. It probably was a little break for you. It made you guys more excited to see what we're gonna find today. So I am at Marshall's right now, and I haven't really been watching anyone else's like TJ Maxx Marshall's videos, so I don't know if there's anything new out right now. I am hopeful that there is new stuff from the last time, something more than like Anastasia cream contour kits, and I'm sure you guys are hopeful for that too. So if you have not ever seen these videos, I go around to discount stores like TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Burlington Coat Factory, and I just look for good deals on discounted makeup. So if you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It's the first link down below in my description box. Click that, check it out, and let's go and
So I found the Real Techniques Ready Set Glow strobing set from Real Techniques, and this is $7.99. They do still have the lip palettes from Anastasia. These are $24.99. I thought this was $20 last time I was here, but they have a couple over here. Tons of lashes. We got Eyelure, we got Ardell. These actually look like those ones from Walmart from Salon Perfect that I love. More Ardell lashes. Got some more Eyelure, CoverGirl, eye pencil for $2.99. The Real Techniques Triangle Concealer Brush. This is $3.99. Some brow groomer for $2.99. And then we have a bunch of the Real Techniques sponges. I don't like this one, but I really like these. These are only $2.99. I love these. This is funny. We have some Venus waterless razors. That's interesting. These are $3.99. Here we have some La Creme Color Drenched Lip Cream for only $3.99 from Too Faced. This is in Naked Dolly. This is a color I would totally wear. The same color, Naked Dolly. We have a Bite Lush Lip Tint in Watermelon. This is $6.99. We got some more Too Faced. This is like the perfect summer color in Melted Coral for only $4.99. And they also have this one in Melted Rainbow. We got some Maybelline Better Skin foundation. Ooh, I actually should have got this here. I just got this at Walmart, but how much is it here? Oh my gosh, it's only $3.99. That is so good. I think this is the new formula. Literally just bought this from Walmart for a video I'm filming. We have the First Aid Beauty Slow Glow Gradual Self-Tanning Moisturizer for $7.89. This is something you would find at Sephora. We have the All Me, why'd I say it like that? Healthy Glow Gradual Self-Tanner for only $3.99. This is usually where I could find some good stuff. But we got some Anastasia lip palettes here. Some more of the Almay contour cream kit, of course. There's a bunch of them here. They have the Milani powder foundation. This is $2.99. They have a couple colors. Perricone MD skincare products. This is the Neuropeptide. This is $32.99. Got some more serum. And what do we have here? Some hair, high-end hair care. This is Wella oil for $12.99. Milani. There's more Milani down here. This is exciting. God, these are so gorgeous. Hypnotic Lights highlighter. These are so pretty. And then these, oh my gosh, these look like the Ciate packaging. Oh my god, this one is stunning. Oh my gosh, this is Hypnotic Lights Lip Topper. This is so pretty. This is in Luminous Light. Look at that. Too. It's like a blue. God, this is okay. So this is new. This elf display. I have never seen this at our Ulta before. So look at this. So they have all the brushes. Is this new? Total Face Sponge? I haven't seen this before. Ooh, they have Mad for Matte. It's the first time I've seen this in a store besides the actual elf store, like the freestanding store. They have the Flawless Foundation, which I love. Look at, oh my gosh, you guys, the Makeup Revolution. It's huge. Do they have the concealers? I will freak. Yes, they do. Oh my gosh. They have the infamous concealer. I'm gonna have to try this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. They have the Morph, Jack on Hill. Okay, I'm like freaking out because this is so exciting. I love how they redid it. This I wanted to try too, the Soph eyeshadow palette, and I've heard that this is really good as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, they have flour here. This is so exciting. Ooh, look at this. I've never seen this. They have the holographic palette, one of my favorite highlighter palettes. This looks new and amazing. Oh my gosh, Wet n Wild and Catrice. You guys, I am freaking. I cannot believe they finally have Catrice in here. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. I'll show you guys more of the flower stuff. This is awesome. Great job, Ulta, getting more brands in here. So cool. All the Wet n Wild stuff. Yeah. They have the highlighters, the new liquid highlighters, and then here's all the Catrice stuff. Guys, I'm obsessed with all the new Essence stuff. They have a new primer. They have a new foundation, Fresh and Fit, or maybe I just have never seen it before. Chrome blush, beauty sponge. They have this fixing spray that I really want to get. Some fun new eyeshadow palettes. They have eyeshadow singles, tons of new liners, and then some fun mermaid lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, and then like a glossy lip color called Water Kiss. Some highlighters, liquid highlighters, like tons of stuff. They have a new mascara that I am gonna get because you guys know I'm obsessed with their mascaras.
Alright guys, so I am at TJ Maxx now, hoping to find some good stuff here. I usually do find some good stuff here. This is not like my favorite one. It's like my second favorite one. So anyways, let's go inside and do some shopping.
The Gold Meadows Miracle Sponge for only $4.99. I love this sponge. They have a bunch of them here. And some more of the Aurora Glow Kits here. They have about 3 of them. And you guys know this is $24.99. They have a contour cream kit. They also have this Smashbox full exposure little eyeshadow palette guide. This is $14.99. They have a couple of them here. These are really cute, like a nice neutral travel palette. And they have this Smashbox Bronze Lights bronzer in warm matte. This is $20. That's a really good find. They still have the Spotlight palette in Pearl for only $14.99. This is such an awesome highlighter palette. You guys can find this, definitely get it. They have this Too Faced Perfect Eyes waterproof eyeliner for $4.99. We have a Shea Moisture Cream Trio. This is $2.99. These Algenist Reveal Luminizing Drops, like highlighter drops, in Rosé. These are $10. This is Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation in light medium. This is new. This is $12.99. Have the Burberry Eye Color in Tea Rose for $9.99. We have a bunch of the Anastasia lip palettes. More Aurora. Cool. They have the LED makeup mirror. This is from Touch. This is $16.99. They have a bunch of them. They also have another one here, like a similar, very similar one. This is $14.99. These natural deodorants. Have you guys ever tried these? They're $3.79. And this is by the brand Schmitz. They also have coconut and pineapple. Like a Happy Water Herbal Tea Wash. This is $4.99. They said here from Clinique with their dramatically different gel. This is $29. This is cool. I found a Super Goop lip screen. I think I actually own this. This is only $7.99. And never seen this brand at TJ Maxx before. They have this little Clinique travel set. This is $24.99.
Hey guys, I don't even know why I'm all like bundled up right now. It's really not that cold out. I look like it's snowing or something. It's like, what is it like? It's like 46 degrees. I'm at Burlington right now. Gonna go in. My hair completely fell out. I don't know what happened to my hair tie. Anyways, I'm at Burlington and I want to check out what they got here. Usually this Burlington, they like don't turn over that much new stuff, but let's check it out.
So I found this Physicians Formula Sexy Booster like eyeshadow palette, and it's $3.99. also have this Physicians Formula Super CC, looks like a concealer, and this is $3.99. They have these Orly little mini polishes. These are cute. I love Orly neons. These are $4.99. And little e.l.f. brush. This pH Matchmaker blush from Physicians Formula. This is cool because it has a light on it. That's awesome. This is so cute. It's an Ardell and China Glaze set. So you get Ardell lashes and then 2 like Christmas colors from China Glaze. City Color Glow set and then a brush. This is $7.99. Outlast set from CoverGirl for $2.99. Little CoverGirl Katy Cat Pearl eyeshadows for $2.99. There's a bunch of them over here. Rose makeup palette. This is $5.99. The Nude Rose palette from BH. Looks like one is missing. This is $5.99. This is cute. Color Story Born to be a Unicorn kit. You open it up, you get some fun like colorful pinks and reds. Don't know how unicorny this is though. This is fun. Laura Geller Summer Goddess set. So here's everything you get inside. You get a spackle primer, a bronzer, lip gloss, and a mascara. This is $19.99.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's budget beauty buys. I hope you guys had tons of fun shopping with me and we saw some pretty good stuff today. I'm still hoping that we're going to get some more new releases because there wasn't as much new stuff as I was hoping for. So maybe there's going to be like another shipment soon. Sometimes there's like that week when they get all the new stuff in and it's like so exciting, but we're kind of again in this like in-between period. If you guys want to see more of my budget beauty buys videos, there's a playlist always linked down below, so check that out and you could spend like hours binge watching if you want to. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again and I will see you in my next one. Bye.